Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be making a balloon bouquet. We'll be using a balloon stand or a balloon hook. Now, this for what we want to use it for, it's easily detachable since we are using combination of balloons, and when we put the balloons together with this hook, it would easily detach from one another. So in order to avoid that, I will be using a hot gum to put it together to make sure that it's rightly in place. This would help it to be really firm, such that when we put our balloon in and combine the balloons to give us the bouquet, it would not come off the hook. These are the balloon stands. Hooking the balloon onto it and then giving it that firmness that we want. And now we have our balloons. Yeah, I'm using a combination of different colors. Just arrange the balloons. I used big and small. Putting them together, arrange them as you want. Now, you can use different colors depending on the combination of colors that you want. You can as well use a single color depending on what you plan to achieve. Now we are using the zip lock to hold the balloons together. After using the zip lock, I also used sellotape to hold it in order to have a double assurance that it's firmly put together. This is cinnamon fabric. It's usually used for hearts, fascinators, and some other crafts. But that is what I will be using to cover our balloon. I will be using two colors, but this is the main color that I used. Just fold them together and then use a sellotape to attach it to our balloons. to make the bouquet full, I also used the glue gum to attach smaller balloons in between the bigger ones, just to make it fuller. You can attach as many balloons in between, just like this. I also used some flowers to give it that brightness. I always like working with flowers. So this is the outcome. You can present this to someone during this Christmas. I wanted to say birthday. You can also give it to someone as a birthday gift, actually. I hope you like the outcome. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.